everybody, I hope you're having a nice day. So I'm here to talk you through our newest pattern. This is the Frida blouse. I've got her on though in a dress version, as you can see. So the Frida blouse is, I'm going to come a bit closer so you can see, is basically a yoke top, and you've then got pleats here and the same at the back. Then we've got her with a little puff sleeve and you've got her as a short sleeve or a long sleeve. Now I've got the other samples to show you so you can have a look at those to see the differences. So this is a midi length dress, but we've also got a version in a short length. So this is the one that we shot on Alex, and we'll pop some photos in to show you, but you can see that's the sort of above the knee length version. We thought that would be nice with some tights. And then I've got two versions here. One we shot on me with some jeans. In fact, I think we did both of them with jeans, but that's with the longer sleeve as a top length. And then this is what we shot on Janine. Again, longer sleeves as a top length. So we've got two options here, but showing you it as a top. And of course, you can also have it as a top in with the short sleeve. You've got all the variations. So what we wanted to choose for September was a pattern that is going to see you through into autumn. That's always something we think about in August and September, is patterns that you might want to be wearing right now, but also that you can see yourself getting use out of later on as it gets cooler. So the idea with this is that you could wear it really easily with a pair of jeans as a top, short sleeve that you might want to wear with a cardi, or long sleeve, you've got that option. And then we've got the midi length, which I kind of see wearing in kind of warmer days with sandals or pumps. But then the short version I see more being worn with tights for the winter. So we've got some options there, guys, and hopefully we've been able to slot some images into this video so that you can see how it looks so different. Now you'll see that this is all lovely and loose, but literally all I want to do is that, because you know I like a cinched in waist, and we've got a nice photo of it with showing it here with a cinched in waist. So you really have options to kind of make it more fitted if you want to. All of these fabrics, I think we made these out of a cotton. This is cotton gauze and this is cotton lawn, but the dresses are both made out of viscose. So this is like a viscose crepe, and the other one is just a viscose twill, and that is the best fabric for the dress version because you want it to have a bit of drape and softness to it. I also embellished, because it was just plain black, I wanted to have a bit of fun, and I've put a really nice piece of ribbon all the way across the seam where the yoke is. So it's a nice and easy pattern. I think it would probably fit under confident beginner because it is really simple and actually not that long to make. I'd say you could make this easily in a day. I guess the challenge is working with the drapey fabric. So if you've not worked with that, then you might want to make a top first in a cotton. And then you don't have that challenge. And the method of kind of how to do the yoke as well could be something that you would find initially you think, oh, I won't be able to do something like that, but it actually is really easy, and there isn't a facing going on here because this is all bagged out with the yoke. So it's a really simple construction method as well. So definitely one to have a go at if you've just started dressmaking. It would be one for you. So like all our patterns, this comes in the size range 6 to 30. I should say all our new patterns. As of last year, we started doing that. So you can get this pattern in sizes 6 to 30 in, of course, PDF format. And I should just point out, just in case anyone's unsure or new to the dressmaking scene, PDF format comes from us in a big copy shop size, A0 size format, which you can get printed by us, or you can get it printed by your local printer. And then it also comes in A4 and US letter size paper, so you can print it at home and stick it together if you prefer to do that. I think that's everything. I'm not going to be doing the styling video this month. In fact, you may have seen with the Neve, which we brought out last month, that we are now going to be using different people on Instagram to do styling IGTVs to give you guys a different style, a different shape, a different look really than I can give you. So it's always keeping it varied and diverse. So this month, the wonderful Alma, who manages our social media, she's going to be doing a styling video, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I'll also be doing the sew along, so that will be coming up. I wish I had the dates, but I don't think when I'm filming this we've set the dates, but it will be on a Thursday in probably next week if this is out. Usually it's the week after the general release, but we'll make sure we put that up. In fact, I can easily add that to the description when this goes up. So have a look in the description. Okay guys, don't forget to share your Fridas online with the hashtag on Instagram, SOI Frida Blouse. Yeah, it should already be populated by some of our wonderful pattern insiders who've shared theirs. So have a look on there to get some inspiration. She's called Frida because she was inspired a bit by Frida Kahlo, that sort of wonderful kind of peasant blouse kind of vibe with Mexican strong embroidery. That was what I was thinking when I was designing this. So I hopefully will be able to see some embroidered versions out there because I think that would look really cool. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!